the 2008 Chevrolet Trailblazer. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. The following features are included: a trailer hitch, rear wipers, and cruise control. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Come down today and see this vehicle for yourself. Call now to schedule a test drive.